Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. First up, we have this gorgeous hair color transformation. So there is the before. Wow, beautiful bold blonde. I love the way that this bob looks. She looks stunning. Next up, we have a haircut transformation. Oh wow, so that is the same stylist showcasing how he cut the bob. She looks absolutely beautiful. So we see a rather unique hairstyle for the next one. Looks like a rocker chic mullet. Pops of purple there at the top portion of the hair. Quite a unique style. And then we see another bob haircut. This one features a rather unique color of orange, yellow tones. Beautiful bangs in the front. Wow. Gorgeous. Very unique hair shade. And then we have another rocker chic kind of mullet style. And as you guys already know, if you follow this channel, the mullet is definitely picking up and growing in momentum. So then we have someone with very long hair. And the stylist has cut the hair into a beautiful bob. And then we have a pixie haircut transformation for the next one. Oh wow, she ended up getting some color as well. She looked absolutely beautiful. And then we have another pixie haircut. So if you want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.